Hi, so for today we are going to talk about sum and difference of two cubes. So since nakalagay na sa name, cubes, ibig sabihin, we are going to deal with an exponent of 3. Okay? So, ito yung ito yung formula niya. But you don't really have to memorize it. Okay? So, kailan natin ginagamit yung sum and difference of two cubes? Kapag naka-cube yung A pati yung B natin. Okay? So, yan. Let's have number 1 as an example. We have here x cubed plus 8. So, the first thing na we have to do is to get the cube root of our A and B. The cube root of x cubed is just x. Tapos, ang cube root ng 8 is 2. Okay? And then, ibababa ko lang si plus sign. So, ayan na siya. And then, kokopyahin lang natin yon. So, x plus 2. Ayan. And then, lagay tayo ng parenthesis sa kanan. And then, babalik tayo dito. Tapos, titingin tayo kay x. Okay? Titingin tayo dito kay x. So, isa-square natin si x. So, that would become x squared. Tapos, imamultiply natin si x kay 2. So, that would become 2x. Tapos, kung ano yung opposite sign ng given natin, yun yung mapupunta dito. So, magiging minus 2. Minus 2x. Next is, isa-square naman natin si 2. So, that would become plus 4. Okay? Palaging plus yung nandito. Okay. So, ayan na yan. Ayan na yung factored form ng number 1. Let's have number 2. Let's get the cube root of y cube and 27. The cube root of y cube is just y. And then, yung cube root naman ng 27 is 3. Tapos, ibababa ko lang yung minus sign. Okay? And then, kokopyahin ko lang siya dito. And then, maglalagay ako ng parenthesis sa right niya. Okay? Isa-square natin si y. So, that would become y squared. And then, imamultiply natin si y kay 3. So, that would become 3y. And then, kung ano yung opposite sign or opposite operation nung given natin, yun yung nandito. So, magiging positive 3y. And then, isa-square natin si 3. So, that would become plus 9. Okay? Kasi 3 squared is positive 9. We have here number 3. You can try this on your own. Pero okay lang kung ano. Okay. So, una nga, kukunin natin yung cube root nung dalawa. Ang cube root ng 8 ay 2. And ang cube root ng x cube is x. And then, ang cube root naman ng 125 is 5. Okay? So, kukopyahin lang natin to. So, magiging 2x minus 5. Saan nanggaling yung minus? Binaba ko lang yung operation. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng parenthesis sa kanan niya. And then, titingin tayo dito. Kukunin natin yung squared form niya. So, 2x times 2x is equal to 4x squared. So, ibig sabihin, 4x squared yun nandito. Okay? And then, next is, multiply na natin to dyan. 2x times 5. That is 10x. And then, kung ano yung opposite sign or opposite operation nung nasa given natin, yun yung mapupunta dito. So, magiging positive. Tapos, isi-square natin si 5. So, that would become positive 25. And that's our factored form for number 3. Ganyan lang yung sum and difference of two cubes.